What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video today. First of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've shown me on the channel. It's been absolutely great. We're growing like crazy. So if you're new around here, please subscribe and join the family. A like is greatly appreciated, and a comment down below as always. I want to hear what you guys have to say, so please drop a comment down below. What I want to do for you guys today is talk about two SPACs that I'm really looking forward to this coming week. I'm looking forward to how they're going to move and what we're going to see. The two SPACs that I'm talking to you guys about today are Pivotal Investment Corporation II, the ticker symbol is PIC, and their merger with XL Fleet, and the other one is Gigcapital3, ticker symbol GIK, and their merger with Lightning eMotors. So let's go ahead and start with Pivotal Investment Corporation II, PIC. So the reason I'm trying to talk to you guys about this one today is because they actually have their shareholder meeting tomorrow, Monday, December 21st, to finally usher in the merger with XL Fleet. Now, this is a big deal because this is essentially what we're waiting for when it comes to SPACs, whenever they actually merge with the company, to see how this thing is going to move, etc., etc. So I just want to very quickly look at the price action, see what's been going on recently, and what this kind of means for some of our other SPAC plays, and what we should expect, generally speaking, from these EV SPAC plays. As always, folks, this is not financial advice. This is me just trying to put you guys on plays that I'm interested in. This video is for entertainment purposes only. So if you're interested in something like this, go ahead and continue to watch. But if not, I completely understand. For this video, I'm not going to really do much analysis. It's just going to be talking to you guys a little bit about the price movement. If you want to hear about what XL Fleets really does, please go out and do your own research. I have previously done a video on these guys before, so you can look through the channel and find that video. But anyway, so this thing was sitting at around $15, $16, $15 for about 5 days now. And if we look at the 1 month chart, same kind of business here. It did go up all the way to 17, just to drop back down to the 15s. So if we look at the 1 day chart here, something very interesting happened at market close last week. So on Friday, this thing closed at around $15.32, and since then, and after hours, this thing absolutely skyrocketed by almost by more than 17%, all the way up to $18.02. So obviously, there's some hype around this stock right now because the shareholder meeting, like I said, is tomorrow, and so a lot of people are trying to hop on the bandwagon because they know that this company is a good one and they see the potential upside with this company. So what do I expect? I'm hoping that people, whenever you guys saw my PIC video a couple of weeks ago, because it was really cheap, I hope you guys bought in at around that time because I thought this thing was on sale, and so I actually started a position back then, and I was hoping some people would jump on it with me because I did see it and I was like, okay, this is an electrification company. Their merger is soon. I think this is just a sell-off, which it was, and then this thing just climbed right back up on Friday and after hours. So this week I expect to see some really wild movement when it comes to this stock. So after the shareholder meeting, if everything is approved, I do expect to see some upward movement. That could already be priced in Monday morning, literally in pre-market. The stock could shoot up like crazy, and the merger news, the shareholder agreement, and this stock actually coming to fruition, the merger coming to fruition, that might already be priced in Monday morning. So we're going to have to watch this one very closely. I can't really say whether or not we should buy as of right now because I need to see how this thing is going to move on Monday. So that's going to have to be a decision that you make on your own. I do think that once the merger goes through, this is a long-term hold for me at least, because I really do believe in XL Fleet. I was able to get in at a good price point, and I'm not looking to just make some money off of the SPAC hype here because the merger is already soon, so this one's going to be more of a long-term hold for me. So that's how I'm going to play this one. So if you're already in, good for you. If not, just watch this one, see if you can get in sometime in the next week or two, because PIC and XL Fleet is going to be big in 2021. Now, let's talk about the little brother to XL Fleet and PIC, which is GIK, Gigcapital3, ticker symbol GIK. Now, this company, of course, folks, this is just purely my opinion, as always. I think GIK is better than PIC. I'm in both. I love PIC and I love XL Fleet a lot, but I like Lightning eMotors just a little bit better. And if you don't know why, please go back and look at some of my videos on Lightning eMotors. I just like this company a little bit better. I think they have a stronger foundation, and I think they have crazy potential upside based off of the companies that they're working with right now. But we look at the stock and we see that this thing, it closed at around $11, and in after hours it did go up a little bit to $11 and around 20 cents. So What do I think here? I think this is another PIC in the making. As always, folks, just my opinion. So, what I want to do is if this thing opens up and somehow falls below $11, I'm going to load the boat next week. I talked to you guys earlier this week about how I just didn't have any gas left in the tank, so I couldn't put more money into GIK. But now I got some buying power, so what I'm going to do, if this thing continues to fall going into next week, and it falls back below $11, I'm going to be loading up on this stock because I think that we're going to have a copy and paste of what happened with PIC. We're going to have a crazy run up, a little bit of a sell-off, and then closer to the merger date, we're going to have another run-up. Of course, that's just the typical SPAC plays, but if you believe in a company long-term, then you don't even have to worry about all that. You can buy in and then completely forget about taking any profits at any time until way later in the future. And I think Gigcapital3 GIK merging with Lightning eMotors, that's one of those plays for me where I'm going to be very, very long on this company. And so what happens whenever I'm long on a company, I usually don't sell whenever it peaks. I usually just buy the dips and I continue to move forward. So that's what I'll be doing coming next week. As I told you guys in my previous video, I'm going to be really busy for about the next month or so. So the videos are going to be a little sporadic. They're going to be a little inconsistent, and I apologize for that. I'm going to try to at least give you guys a video where I look forward to the beginning of the week and then a video at the end of the week at a minimum. But that's going to be it for these two folks. Let me know what you guys think about PIC as well as GIK. I know there's a lot of hype surrounding these stocks, but there's also a lot of hate surrounding them. So I want to hear both opinions in the comment section below. As always, if you're new around here, please go ahead and subscribe and join the family. We talk about stocks here, and a like is always greatly appreciated. Appreciate you all. Peace out.